What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today is the day. Oh, my headlights just came on. If you can see that, or the halos, that was awesome. That's the car saying hello. Today is the day we install the new posi rear on my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. If you don't know, 2015 Dodge Challenger RT, the one I bought, did not come with a posi rear. So a couple months back, towards the beginning of the year, I went and bought a brand new posi rear end for this thing. It's 3.90 gear ratio. And today's the day we install it. So if you're excited for this video, hit that subscribe button for me. This is going to be the first part of the video, the installation video, and then in a couple days, once I get a chance to test everything out and make sure everything is together, we'll put up a video of me reacting to that as well. I'm so excited. If you're excited, hit that subscribe button for me. Let's jump into the video. Hope you enjoy. Oh, is that it? Forgot you're open today. Frame job. Framer. Oh, let's go take a look. That'll work. This one's gonna be a pain in the butt. The tank in the way. You know, we really can't. Yes. Loosen it. Look at you. Making progress and shit. Ew.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying not to kill it. Just your oil.
Yeah.
Be the best at trying.
Alright.
I feel like I should be helping here. You're all, you're clear.
Let's sit back here and we'll drink.
So. Sounds good.
Okay. Well,
Let you know how it works.
gonna do burnout in the parking lot. Test it out.
Maybe not in this one.
Yeah, right? Yeah, not in this.
On the road.
Yeah, be careful.
We'll see ya.
Talk to you guys later.
Yeah,
see ya.
Yeah.
Hell.
That one going in?
It's in.
It's hard to seal, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Seal. What the hell?
Don't say anything.
Excuse me. Good push. It's in backwards.
Upside down.
Yeah. Are we sure this isn't the old one? It's clean.
Try not to cross through.
Yeah.
Seems like doing it now.
I don't know if it's starting yet or not.
It looks like it.
It's got
Yeah,
those-
loosen it.
Yeah, that's all that extra power you use.
So you can hit it next time.
I'll do it. I don't care. That's cheating. Will those spin the same way?
Holy crapola.